Yes, drain cleaning is one of the best ways for a brand new plumbing company to get started because it needs very little equipment to begin. It teaches new technicians fast, and almost every homeowner needs it at some point. Think of drain cleaning like clearing a clogged straw, except the straw is buried inside your walls and floors. A new plumbing company can start with just a simple hand auger or a small motorized snake, which costs way less than the trucks and machines needed for big jobs like repiping a whole house. Because clogged drains happen so often, new companies can build a steady list of repeat customers just from that one service. Here is something most people do not know. Plumbers can often tell what caused a clog just by the smell or the way the water drains, without even opening the pipe. Slow draining water usually means grease or soap buildup, while gurgling sounds often point to a blocked vent pipe on the roof. Starting with drain cleaning lets new companies practice real customer service and pricing before they take on bigger, riskier jobs like water heater replacement. It is a low-risk way to earn trust in the neighborhood while still making solid money. One common mistake new companies make is using a metal snake on every single clog, which can actually scratch or crack older pipes, so it helps to check the pipe material first and use a gentler tool when needed. Another mistake is charging too little just to get customers in the door, which makes it hard to cover gas, tools, and time, so it is smarter to set a fair flat rate from the very beginning. A lot of people also think a clean drain means the problem is fully solved, but sometimes the real issue is a cracked pipe or tree roots growing into the line. So a quick camera inspection can save a customer from calling back angry a few weeks later. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app JobBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.